Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you a brand new floor plan from Sprinter. It's in the Sprinter Limited series, the fifth wheels. This is the 3590 LFT or Loft. So they've done a Loft for the last few years, but this year it's kind of been rebranded. Model number changed to 3590. They flipped some stuff around on the inside, changed the decor and all that kind of stuff, but we'll get into that in a bit. We're going to start on the outside, so let's go ahead and dive right in. So new look for Sprinter this year. They've went away from kind of that gray exterior to nice kind of off-white, contrasted with some of the brown graphics package and that kind of stuff. So Sprinter's still doing the 100-inch wide body, so you'll see this is a little bit wider than some of the competition out on the lot as well. You got the heavy-duty I-beam frame, 10-inch I-beam frame for that. They can put giant water tanks underneath. It's got an 81-gallon freshwater tank. And to couple it with that little bit of extra space that you get inside. So some nice features there. You can see a nice sleek look on the front cap. You got the road armor pin box. So that helps a little bit, just a little bit of a smoother ride. It's got a little bit more room to play than your standard pin box. You got kind of the mirror there to help you back up. Front pass-through storage. Nice and deep, unobstructed. It's got an automatic light sensor, slam latch doors. These are actually made with metal on the Sprinter versus plastic like you'll see, so that'll never break on you. Key TV output, if you decided to put a TV outside, you can plug it in right here, underneath your nice big power awning. It's got the speakers built right into the awning as well, so the sound actually projects down on your campsite. Really cool. All the Sprinter Limiteds come with the premium thermal package. So these are actually tested from 0 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which puts you at around minus 17 Celsius right off the lot. So you got the nice 2.5-inch thick walls, the extra Astrofoil insulation in the roof and the front cap. And they also run their water lines right through the floor joists as well, versus underneath, and then enclose and heat the underbelly. So it gives you a little bit of that extra protection for the cold weather. Solid stance steps. You got the quad step entrance. It's not the lowest trailer on the lot, so they give you that fourth step rather than have the big, first step with just the triple. Got the nice big tires, and then underneath, road armor suspension. I'm going to link an extra video to that in the comments of this video, but what that is basically it's a top of the line suspension for trailers. Came out around 2017, 2018. You basically have an extra 3 inches of play versus the standard leaf springs. Really nice smooth ride. Let's head inside and check it out. All right, so welcome inside. If you've been looking at Sprinter for the last few years, you'll notice huge change this year with the decor. So they've brightened everything up. They've got nice contrasting kind of dark gray accents, but lighter flooring, lighter cabinets, the same actually countertops that they've had for a while, but it matches so much nicer. With this particular floor plan, they switched the galley and entertainment slide with the living room slide. So you now have all your windows on your campsite. That was something a lot of people were asking for, and they went ahead and did that. Booth dinette, there are options to have table and chairs if you prefer. So one or the other, you do get a little bit more storage with the booth dinette. And then you got your power recliners, and then a trifold sofa at the back. You got end tables on either side, storage underneath, you got outlets on either side. You got the Max Air right above me here, power vent that you can control from right there. You get the bigger screen TVs in the Sprinter Limiteds, Bluetooth soundbar, and then 36-inch fireplace. So that is an electric space heater. It's not just there for fun or for show. That does work and help keep you warm. Kitchen, they upgraded the oven this year. So they're back to the deep ovens like they used to have, rather than going with the smaller Furion oven that they had last year. So this is a nice deep Greystone oven, 3-burner stove, pots and pans drawer underneath, matching Greystone microwave, and then of course the nice big 12 cubic foot fridge, 2-way refrigerator. Okay, so the Sprinter Limiteds give you an option. You can do either the 2-way 12 cubic foot fridge, or you can do the larger residential fridge. That's 110 power only. Okay, so we generally bring it in with this fridge, but that option is available for you. Over here you got some extra pantry space. Okay, nice and deep. And then of course the mid bunk, or the den, loft, however you want to call it. The loft is obviously above us. You got the same trifold sofa that you have in the back of the trailer. And then you got kind of an entertainment area, cabinets underneath, closet on the side, tons of storage space up here. There is both heat and AC in here as well, so it'll be nicely nice and comfortable. You got a sliding door as well, so you don't have a door kind of opening up into your kitchen. Nice and compact, plus it looks good. Let's head upstairs. This is something to note as well. You got a nice little kind of coat and key rack right at your front door. And you head up. So here's your loft, kind of the main, point of this floor plan, plus the extra room underneath, right? But huge double bed space up here. Awesome for kids or for storage, whatever you want. There's power up here, TV hookups if you wanted to have one. And then of course a ladder. You can put up to 800 pounds of stuff up there. So two smaller kids, easy, plus any kind of cargo you can probably think of. Nice big window I want to point out as well. You got the blackout roller shades, okay? And then just your control panel, new digital thermostat, and then of course your touchscreen remote. So Sprinters just came with this, or they've been coming with this for probably about 4 or 5 years now. You can control your outside lights, your auto leveling system. Auto leveling is only available in the limited series. Your power awning, and of course your slide outs, all from right here, as opposed to just your main control panel. It's kind of a cool feature. You can keep it right in your truck. Washroom. So this is one of the areas where that 100-inch wide body really comes into play. You still have a nice comfortable hallway and a good sized washroom, okay? You can fit around the toilet very easily. There's extra storage here, lots of linen storage. You got a nice big vanity, medicine cabinet, and a nice big one-piece shower. Okay, glass doors. I'm 6 feet tall, so you can see I can fit in here just fine. It gives me that skylight, so I have that little bit of extra headroom. We'll check out the master. All right, so one of the awesome features of the Sprinter limited floor plans is they all give you a king bed slide. Okay, so that's the big difference between the regular Sprinters and the Sprinter limiteds. It's the king bed. So you'll have storage underneath. Okay, strut assist. You got little nightstands on either side that people have been asking for, so those are there. Got a dresser right in front of the bed. TV hookups on the roof, okay? Huge window, and then lots of storage. There is washer dryer prep there as well, so we can modify this cabinet to fit you a washer dryer in there. That's something you'll be needing. And then just tons of space in your closet here. All the Sprinter Limiteds come with 2 air conditioners as well. So your main unit's at the back, and then you have an independent unit for here in the master as well. You don't have to use it. It is a 50 amp trailer, but you can of course go down to 30 amp and just use the single AC. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. I'll catch you next time.